Guys, welcome back to a new video on this channel. This is Anukiran Ghosh, and in this video I'm going to introduce you to a website called Referens. So this is a invoicing management software or an online invoicing management tool. So this tool is made for freelancers and agencies. So if you are a freelancer, you already know how difficult it is to manage invoices. So you need to hand out invoices to your client on a daily basis. If you have a lot of clients, you need to hand out invoices to your clients on a daily basis. You need to manage all your invoices. First of all, if you manage the invoices in a file based system, let's say if you manage your invoices on Microsoft Word or Excel, it's going to be very difficult for you to manage the entire invoicing process. For example, if you send the invoice to the client and then the client pays you, and then again you need to come back, open the file, and then you need to mark it as paid, and you cannot keep record of all the payments that have been done. So it's very difficult if you don't use an invoicing management software. You need to depend on multiple tools to create an invoice, to send an invoice, and also to update an invoice after you get paid. So it's quite a hectic process, but this tool called Referens makes it all easy. And not only that, not only the invoicing tool, it also allows you to accept payments. For example, if you set up your own invoice using this platform, you can directly accept payments through this platform. You don't need to add third party tools like Pay. You don't need to integrate a separate payment gateway to receive payments. You can also add your bank account to this website, and you will receive payment directly to your bank account. So how cool is this? Not only that, the third speciality, the third feature, not speciality, rather feature of this website is you can also create a profile, add your portfolio, and pitch your skills to clients. So this is also a marketplace just like Fiverr. So let me show you how this works. So this is the website. I have already signed up to this website. Signing up is pretty simple, just like any other website. Just create an account using your Google account, or just register using your email address. So this is how it looks like. First of all, you need to set up your profile. So on the first screen, on the initial screen, you'll get to see something like this, where you need to fill in all the details such as the basic information, profile information. Basic information consists of name, your business name, and your logo. You can put your own picture if you are a freelancer, if you are a solo freelancer, or you can put the logo of your agency if you are an agency owner. And then you can put in profile information such as business type, URL, category, etc. And then you need to put in your address and communication details. You can enter your address, or you can keep it blank based on your preference, but I have entered the address. You can make it visible on your invoice, or you can choose to hide it. So it depends on your preference. Then you need to enter your online presence such as your website link, Facebook link, and Instagram, etc. So this is the first step. And the next step is to add services to your website. So you can add services, for example, just like you create gigs on Fiverr. If you have used Fiverr as a freelancer, you know how to create gigs, right? So this is that is exactly the same way you will be using here to create a gig. uh, they call it service here, but on Fiverr they call it gigs. So that is exactly how you will fill up the this form. For example, the title of the service, the description of the service, the service category, you can select from the drop down. You can set price, and this is a marketplace actually. So you can also post a requirement if you are looking forward to hire a freelancer. So now let me show you how to create a invoice. So you need to go to invoices, and as you see, I have already created an invoice. But let me create a different invoice for you, and let me create a new invoice for you, and let me show you how to create an invoice. So you just need to click on this button called create new invoice, and then you can design your invoice. This is your invoice number, this is your invoice date. You can click on this add due date and add due date. You can click on this add more fields to add more fields. Then this is your details, and here you can add a new client. You can enter the name and all for the new client, and here you will get to here you can enter the item name. Then you can add a new line and all. Then you can download the invoice or you can send the invoice. For example, I have already created an invoice here. The amount is 5,400 rupees and it is due on September 3, 2022. And you can see the status is unpaid. So you can click on mark paid if the client has already paid you, and it will be marked as paid. But now what I want to do is I want to show you how to send the invoice or how to download the invoice. So this is how the invoice looks like, and you can pick a design from multiple design templates. All the design templates are available here, but there are some premium templates, premium uh, features. Under premium features there are some premium templates. You can buy those templates if you want to. If you create a premium account, you will get access to all the free templates, all the premium templates. But I am using the free account as of now. So if you scroll down to the end of the page, you'll get to see all these options. Like you can add payment details by clicking on this. You can select the payment method, for example account transfer, cash payment, check, demand draft, or anything you want to select. You can also enter your bank details. This is an optional step. Then you can download your email invoice or change design. And if you don't want to download it, if you want to directly send it, you can do it by clicking on email invoice. So this is how you can create an invoice, and you can keep track of all the invoices using Referens website. And not only that, you can also pitch your services to your clients, and also you can use the payment gateway of Referens to receive payments from your clients. So this is all about today's video. Please do like and share this video and subscribe to this channel for regular updates related to technology and how to's. Thank you.